Welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into Firetrust, an email security and management company known for its flagship product, MailWasher. Firetrust aims to simplify email by providing tools that block unwanted spam, phishing attempts, and junk emails before they reach your inbox. MailWasher allows you to preview emails before downloading them, so you can make sure only safe and important messages get through. It's compatible with various email clients, including Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, making it easy to manage email security across platforms. One of the standout features of Firetrust's MailWasher is its advanced spam filtering. Using customizable filters and a vast database of known spammers, it's highly effective at stopping junk emails in their tracks. Plus, you can quickly blacklist or whitelist senders, ensuring only desired emails appear in your inbox. For those constantly bombarded by phishing attempts, MailWasher provides peace of mind by identifying suspicious links and attachments and removing them before they cause harm. Now, Firetrust doesn't just stop at spam filtering. They also offer a remote email check, letting you review your inbox from anywhere without having to download unwanted mail onto your device. This feature is particularly useful if you're traveling or need to check emails on the go. The program is easy to install, runs smoothly, and doesn't significantly slow down your system. One thing to consider, though, is that Firetrust products come at a cost. MailWasher offers a free version, but to unlock premium features like unlimited email accounts and priority support, you'll need to upgrade to MailWasher Pro, available as an annual subscription. The price may be slightly higher than some alternatives, but the robust filtering, security features, and seamless setup make it a worthwhile investment for many users who prioritize email safety. Firetrust's clean, intuitive interface allows beginners and advanced users to set up their accounts without much hassle. For those juggling multiple email accounts or concerned about privacy and spam, MailWasher is a top choice. However, if you're looking for additional email management options, consider Clean Email, a platform that's excellent for organizing your inbox and reducing email clutter. Check the link in the description to learn more about Clean Email, another tool I highly recommend. In summary, Firetrust's MailWasher offers impressive spam protection and email control, but it does come with a price tag for the premium version. If email security is a priority, MailWasher is a trusted solution that many users find indispensable. Firetrust's strong filtering capabilities, combined with easy-to-use email management features, make it a popular choice. If you enjoyed this overview, please subscribe and give a like.